Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you friends? Hope you all are fine. In this video, we are going to show you a very interesting, beautiful, outstanding and different jute, natural and pearl craft ideas and Christmas home decoration ideas. So, jute is a natural material that comes from the earth and it is strong, eco-friendly and full of warmth. Handmade jute crafts bring peace, simplicity, and love into our homes. So let's start this creative journey together. Jute crafts are special because they are natural and honest. When we use jute, we feel close to the nature. It gives a soft rustic look that never goes out of style. In today's fast world, handmade crafts slow us down and jute crafting helps us relax our mind. It teaches patience and focus, and one of the best things about jute is reuse. Old bottles, jars, and boxes can become beautiful decor. Nothing is wasted in jute craft, and jute wall hangings are very popular. They look simple but very elegant, and you can decorate them with beads, lace, or wooden buttons. Jute flower pots are perfect for handmade balcony, and they give plants a natural and fresh look. Green plants and jute makes a beautiful matches, and jute baskets are natural and decorative. They help keep homes neat and organized, and beauty and useful comes together. Jute table mats and runners makes dining special, and they create a warm and cozy feeling. Simple meals feel more meaningful, and jute candle holders bring soft light and calm vibes. They are perfect for evenings and peaceful moments. Light looks gentle through jute, and jute bags are strong and stylish. They are good for shopping and daily use. Using jute bags helps protect the environment, and handmade jute gift wrapping looks classy and unique. It shows effort and care. Small details make big impressions. Jute photo frames keep memories close to nature, and old photos look more precious and jute frames. Memories deserve gentle care, and jute crafts are perfect for beginners. Evening simple designs look beautiful mistakes and add charm to a handmade work. Children can also enjoy jute crafting with help. It improves creativity and hand skills. Crafting is a healthy activity, and jute decor suits both modern and traditional homes. It blends easily with wood and plants. Natural decor never feels heavy. Jute crafts are budget friendly. You don't need expensive tools, just imagination and love. Festival decoration with jute looks elegant. It gives traditional and warm vibes. Celebration feels closer to culture. Jute name boards and key holders are very useful. They look welcoming and personal. Small items make daily life easier. Making jute crafts is also self-care. It gives peace to the heart. Quiet creativity heals the soul. And jute crafts support small artists and business. Buying handmade means supporting dreams. Every piece has a story. And jute crafts teach us simple living. We learn to value natural things, less plastic, more care. Jute crafts are not just decoration, they are love, patience, and respect for nature. Every handmade piece spreads warmth and positivity. Thank you for watching and supporting handmade art. If you enjoyed handmade art, if you enjoy this jute craft ideas, please like and share and subscribe. Thank you so much.